Hey guys, it's Undersea TV here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cool Lego skyscraper. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and without any other further ado, let's get right into the building. So as you can see, there are many different parts to the building. So I'll be teaching you part by part on how to build it, and then later when you have all the parts done, you can turn it into the cool skyscraper. Alright, so the first part I'm going to show you how to build is the main tower itself. These are all the pieces you'll need for the main tower area. Alright, so the first pieces you'll need are the 4 2x2 gray pieces and the 4 2x2 black pieces. Alright, so start off with a 2x2 square piece and keep on layering it with a black, gray, until finally you get this. Alright, after you're done making this tower, then I'll show you how to make the top of it. Alright, so start off with this strange piece, and then after that, you want to get the tile with the circle in the middle. After you're done putting those two pieces together, it should look like this. After you're done with this, then grab your second piece that looks like that and stick it on the other side. After that, it should look like this. After you're done doing that, get this 1x2 tile, also again with the circle in it, and your 1x1 yellow square. Then put them together so it looks like this. After that, grab this strange piece and then stick them together so it should look like this. Okay, now grab your fan piece, or whatever you want to call it, but I call it a fan piece, and then stick it on the other side of this strange piece. Alright, now the final step, get this strange pole and put it on the top. Then you should be done with the top of the tower. After that, get your tower and the tower top and just easily put it on like this. So then you should be done with the tower. Now just slide the tower aside for now, and now we're going to work on another part of the skyscraper. Okay, now we're going to work on the back walls. These are the pieces you'll need for the back walls. These are for back wall number 1, and these are for back wall number 2. Alright, I'm just going to start off really easy to make back wall number 1. Just get this lawn piece, this lawn 1x2 brick, and get your flat slab, and just stick it on top. So then, yeah, you're already done with back wall number 1. Alright, now for back wall number 2, again you'll need the same big lawn slab. Then you'll need this strange black thing, and just stick it on top like that. Then you want to get these two pieces, and stick them together, and put it on top. And put it on top of here. Now for the final piece. I don't know what to call it, but I'll just call it a black slanted slab for now. Just place it on top. Just place it on top, and then yeah, you're already done with back wall number 2. Again, just slide both of the back walls to the side because we won't need them for now. And now we're going to work on another piece, but for this piece, we're going to do the front entrance. Alright, this is the front entrance. These are all the pieces you'll need for the front entrance. Alright, so first off, get this lawn slab, but it's sort of like the other ones we used in the back walls, except this one has a weird hole in the middle. And after that, get this the light gray slanted slab, put it on there, and then you're done with part 1 of it. here's part 2. So you just get this big slanted piece, and then get this plant piece, put it on top, and you're done. Sorry guys, I actually made a mistake here. So actually you want to get the 1x2 brick here, place it on top, then you put in the slanted piece. So then it should look like this. Alright, now you get this little arch here, and get your 2 light gray studs, place them on the sides, and yeah, you're done with the front entrance. Sorry guys, I made another mistake. So actually you want to get this light gray cylinder, place it on top, and then again put the plant, and now you're done with the front entrance. No more mistakes, I promise guys. Again, just slide these pieces aside, and then we'll get onto the sidewall. Okay, this is the sidewall for the skyscraper. And these are all the pieces you'll need for the sidewall. Okay, so first you want to get these 2 2x2 square, light gray square pieces, and put them together like that. After that, get this light gray vault piece, and then get this 1x2 piece and put it in the back right there. After that, get this smooth, I'm not sure what to call it, I'll just call it a smooth light gray piece, and then get the dark gray fan and put it on top right here like that. Alright, now finally grab this piece and put your sidewall on the ground laying down like this, and then stick these 2 tiny pegs here into the side of this piece. So then it should make sort of a window that looks like this. Then you should be done with the sidewall. Alright, now I just slide it aside, and we'll get on to the final 2 steps. Okay, so this is the second last step, and this is just like the very bottom of the tower, which you put the tower on. These are all the pieces you'll need for the very bottom of the tower. Just get the 2x2 square piece, get this weird L piece, place it on top like here, like this, and get this, put it on the side, and then get this slanted piece and put it right here to connect both of those pieces to make it like this. And then finally get your smooth, like I'd call it a pebble, but get your smooth circle piece and put it on. So then you should be done with the very bottom of the tower. Alright, slide it aside, and now we're on the very final step, the gate. Alright, this time I won't be breaking the gate apart, but anyways, these are the pieces you'll need. So you'll need 3 light gray fans, a light green square with a circle in the middle to put this on, and then you'll need to put these all on the sides, and also, of course, for the base plate, you'll need a let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16. So you'll need an 8 by 16 dark gray plate. So you just align all these on the side, and then then you should be done with the gate. As you guys could probably see, I left out like the natural landscape I had. I won't be showing this in the video because you can obviously just make your own natural landscape. But if you want me to do a video, part 2 of this, on showing like how to make this cool natural landscape, then leave down in the comments #natural landscape. Alright guys, now it's the funnest part. Time to assemble the tower. So first off, you want to get back wall number 1 and place it right here. Sorry that I had to move my camera just because my baby brother just woke up and he's downstairs right now, so I had to move upstairs. But anyways, yeah. So after that, you want to get black back wall number 2 and place it right here. So it should look like this. Then you want to get the base of the tower, which looks like this, and place it right here. So then it should look like this. After that, get the main tower part and place it right on top of the base of the tower. So then it should look like this. Then get the side wall, which, just to let you know, looks like this, and place it obviously on the side of the tower. If you don't want to have this this piece on it, you can just take it off and put it somewhere else if you don't want it. Now it's time for the final 3 pieces. So get this part, which is part of the front, and place it right here. Half of it should be in the back wall, and half of it should be in the side of the tower. So then it should look like this. Now you want to get the second last piece, which is also from the entrance area, and you want to place that right here. So then it should look like this. And now finally you want to get the little arch, which is your entrance, and place it right there like that. So then now you should be done with your tower. Hope you guys enjoyed this Lego build. Make sure to have fun with your tower. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.